Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel One to Step. If you want to change your age on the Plenty of Fish dating app because you have put the wrong age, then let me teach you how to fix it. Go to web browser and type in www.pof.com and hit enter. And after that, it will take you to the official website of Plenty of Fish. Now, on this web page, as you can see at the top bar saying my profile, click on it and click on edit profile. Now in this edit profile, scroll down to the page saying birth date. Now on this birth date, put your correct birthday. So I'm gonna put my correct birthday saying 09 October 2004, and to save it, scroll down to the very end and click on save changes. Now you have changed your day of birth or your age on Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.